Okay. I'm going to close the door. It's completely dark. Okay. Look at this. Oh, shit. Where'd it go? I made it too big. Okay. Okay, you see that? That green light is part of the smoke detector. I told you it fell out to the top. Well, still makes beams. Okay, let me see if I can show you the top that it fell out of from the roof. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. You see the top right there? Oh, it keeps shining. Yeah. I can't get it. There's all kinds of light coming from it. Oh. I need to stand on this motherfucking thing now. It brings nothing but heat. The radio said to cover up our windows and shit with sheets. And it's so freaking hot in here. This green light just beams down and makes you hot. Oh. God, it's so freaking hot in here. And it's cool outside right now. I don't know how to turn this around.